He's here.
What? Bill?
Wow, Peter. Wow. I thought we were close.
This isn't real.
Do you?
MJ!
What is up, YouTube? This is Zach, Dream Media Home Theater. I'm here with Larry from SVS, and we just heard a killer demo. You guys are always asking for demos. Well, this is a full. Is it configured as 7.1 or a 5.1 or
5.2.2? Yes.
Okay, so we got a 5.2.2 system here, and we'll put the demo at the end of this video. Larry's going to walk you through exactly what products are being used in this system. If you aren't one of our subscribers already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up. Over to you, Larry.
Awesome. How's it going, guys? So in here, we're doing two different rooms here at the Venetian for CES. This is our dedicated theater room. And in here, we're doing a 5.2.2 Dolby Atmos experience like we just talked about. And it starts up front with our prime pinnacle towers. So we're using the prime pinnacle towers up front as our main stage, along with our prime center channel, which we love talking up because it's one of the few three-way center channels you'll find in its price point. And back around behind you, we are running our prime bookshelves as surrounds. Say hi, Chris.
Hey.
So the prime bookshelves we're using as surrounds back here on stands. Obviously not optimal because we're in a hotel suite, but phenomenal for surrounds. And then up on the sides, we are using our prime elevation height effects speaker, which is probably one of the cooler speakers you encounter because you can use it for any channel. Front, rear, height, surround, whatever you want to do with it, you can put it anywhere. You can mount it on its side, you can mount it like this, like we've got here in the space, and it's super simple to install. And then the new belle of the ball, whoops, sorry Chris, I'm running into you here, we'll come back to those, are the brand new PB-2000 Pros that we just launched a few weeks ago. So if you remember the 2000 series that we've had for a few years, this is a complete reimagining of that product from the ground up. New driver, new amplifier, new port design on the ported models, and it adds the Bluetooth subwoofer control app that we've had on the 3000, 4000, and 16 Ultra as well. So this whole setup in here, we're doing a complete 5.2.2 experience and blowing people away with some music and movies.
We're about to play a demo for you guys, and I hope that you enjoy it. We heard it earlier, and it sounds amazing. If you would like to purchase this product, make sure you give us a call or shoot us an email. Your boy, Chris, will be happy to answer any of your questions. If you like this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up and smash the subscribe button down below. Until next time, thanks for watching, guys.
No, it's just another... Fury! Stop hiding back!
I tried to help you walk away. You told me you wanted to run after that girl.
Help me! MJ!
I don't think you know what. You need to wake up!